The mysterious depths of the oceans are home to a diverse array of fascinating creatures that have adapted to survive in the extreme conditions of the deep sea. These deep-sea creatures exhibit incredible characteristics and behaviors, making them truly unique in the animal kingdom. So, prepare for a deep dive. Here are 5 of the weirdest and wildest residents of the deep sea. Frilled shark. The frilled shark is a strange, prehistoric-looking shark that lives in the open ocean and spends much of its time in deep, dark waters far below the sea surface. Its long, cylindrical body reaches lengths of nearly 7 feet, and its fins are placed far back on the body. The frilled shark gets its name from the frilly appearance of its gill slits. Frilled sharks are active predators and may lunge at potential prey, swallowing it whole, even if it is quite large. Their normal swimming style, however, is distinctly eel-like, as they swim in a serpentine fashion. The preferred prey of the frilled shark is squid, and they have several rows of long teeth, each with 3 long points, that are perfect for snagging the soft bodies of this prey. Though they specialize on squids, frilled sharks are known to eat a variety of fishes and also other sharks. Chimera, also known as ghost sharks, ratfish, spookfish, and rabbitfish. In Greek mythology, the chimera was a monstrous fire-breathing hybrid creature. Chimera are closely related to sharks, skates, and rays, but they diverged from their shark relatives around 400 million years ago. Adult chimera range from 60 to 200 centimeters in length. They have long, tapering bodies with very large heads. Their color varies from black to pale blue to brownish gray with smooth skin. Large, translucent green eyes help them to see in the dark, deep sea. Chimeras seem to be opportunist feeders, feeding mainly on bottom-dwelling invertebrates such as crabs, mollusks, octopuses, marine worms, and sea urchins. Chimera live in all the world's oceans except the Antarctic. They're found at depths ranging from 200 to 2,600 meters and appear to remain within a few meters of the seafloor. They can be found in a variety of habitats, including volcanic boulders and cobbles, high rocky relief, and soft sediments such as sand and mud. Faceless cusk. The faceless cusk eel is named for having what appears to be a lack of a face. However, looks are a bit deceiving here. The mouth has moved to the underside of the animal and can project out when feeding. Nostrils or nares are nearby and are easily visible. Eyes appear to be lacking but actually exist under the skin and are only barely visible when the fish is young. The faceless cusk is a genus of cusk eel found in the Indian and Pacific Oceans at depths from 12,910 to 16,732 feet. This species grows to 18.3 inches in standard length. Goblin shark. The goblin shark is reminiscent of a prehistoric dinosaur with its long snout, small eyes, and jagged teeth. The shark's extended snout helps it look for food on the ocean floor. The elongated feature is covered with organs called ampullae of Lorenzini that can detect the weak electrical fields given off by prey. Once the shark detects fish or crustaceans, it can rapidly project its movable jaw forward to snag a meal. Though the maximum size of the species is unknown, scientists who have analyzed photos believe the shark can grow up to 20 feet long. The goblin shark was first described in 1898 off Japan, but the pinkish predator has also been identified off the coasts of Mississippi and California. Rarely seen, the shark lives at a depth of up to 4,000 feet. Atlantic wolffish. With even just a brief glance, you can quickly figure out how the Atlantic wolffish was named. Their large, canine-like teeth protrude from their mouths, giving them a wolf-like scowl. Behind these visible primary canine teeth are a cluster of 5 or 6 smaller canines, as well as 3 sets of crushing teeth on the roof of their mouths, used to grind hard-shelled prey. In spite of their slightly ferocious appearance and large teeth, Atlantic wolffish are not aggressive. They feed on slow-moving or sedentary prey such as sea urchins, crabs, mollusks, and large snails. Atlantic wolffish are also incredibly well adapted for cold water conditions, able to survive in water below 0 degrees Celsius thanks to high concentrations of an antifreeze compound in their blood.